Damages for conversion, that is, the intentional taking of another's property with the intent to deprive them of it, are generally awarded to compensate an injured party. To this end, the measure of damages is usually based on the property's fair market value at the time and place of the conversion. But what if the property is a commodity that's fluctuated in value since the date of the conversion? The Hawaii Supreme Court considered this question in Roxas versus Marcos. In 1970, Roger Roxas and a group of others discovered the Yamashita treasure in a cave in the Philippines. The treasure, which included golden bars and a golden Buddha statue filled with diamonds, had been stolen from Southeast Asian countries during World War II. In April of 1971, members of the Philippine military raided Roxas's house and took most of the treasure. Afterward, Roxas was imprisoned and tortured. Ferdinand Marcos, the president of the Philippines, then sold the treasure for money on behalf of the government. By 1980, the price of gold reached an all-time high. 6 years later, Marcos was removed from power, and the United States transported him and his wife to Hawaii. Subsequently, Roxas sued Marcos in circuit court in Hawaii for battery, false imprisonment, and conversion. While the case was pending, Marcos died, and his wife was substituted as defendant. During the trial, the court instructed the jury that if it were to find Marcos liable for conversion, the correct measure of damages would be the value of gold on the conversion date. The jury then found in favor of Roxas and awarded him $1.3 million for the conversion of the statue and $22 billion for the conversion of the gold. But because gold was a commodity that's value had risen since the date of conversion, Roxas thought he should have recovered even more money. Both parties appealed to the Hawaii Supreme Court.